Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Newegg for safer account recovery and privacy step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Newegg homepage. Locate the sign in option at the top right corner of the page. Click on sign in to access the login screen. If you do not have an account, select the register link. Fill in the required information such as your email address, password, and any other necessary details. Choose a strong, unique password to enhance your account security. Be sure to check the option for receiving promotional emails if you are interested. Review the privacy policy and terms of use provided by Newegg. Once you've completed the form, click on the Create Account button. Next, log into your new account using the email and password you just set up. In your account dashboard, locate the Account Security section. Enable two-factor authentication for an additional layer of protection. Follow the prompts to link your phone number or authentication app. Continue to review and update your profile information for accuracy. Check the privacy settings to ensure your account is as secure as possible. Consider adding recovery options like security questions or backup email addresses. Finish by reviewing all settings to confirm that they align with your privacy preferences. Your Newegg account is now registered with enhanced security measures for safer account recovery. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.